Homeopathy and Quantum Physics by Dr. Rohit Deshpande. Dr. Samuel Hahnemann originally founded homeopathy, a field of medicine, in the late 18th century. According to the like cures like principle, a chemical that causes specific symptoms in a healthy person can also be used to treat those same symptoms in a sick person. Homeopathy is a holistic method of treatment that considers the patient's mental and emotional well-being in addition to the physical symptoms. A relatively recent area of physics called quantum physics studies the behavior of matter and energy at the subatomic scale. It has questioned many of the established physics notions and led to a new understanding of the cosmos. The connection between quantum physics and homeopathy has drawn more attention in recent years. The basic mechanics of homeopathy and how it functions may be explained using the concepts of quantum physics. How can homeopathy fit into quantum physics, then? Let's look more closely. The resonance principle. The resonance principle is a fundamental idea in quantum physics. According to this theory, two objects will naturally resonate with one another if they have the same frequency or vibration. This can be observed in a variety of phenomena, such as the vibration of musical instrument strings when two instruments are played at the same frequency. Resonance is a fundamental tenet of homeopathy. A material is diluted in water or alcohol to create homeopathic medicines, which are then shaken. Until there is virtually little evidence of the original ingredient left, this process is done numerous times. The energy signature of the original substance, according to homeopathic doctors, is imprinted on the water molecules, resulting in a resonance between the remedy and the patient. When the medicine is administered to the patient, it resonates with their own energetic field, aiding in healing and re-establishing equilibrium. The non-locality theory. The idea of non-locality is another crucial one in quantum physics. It is proposed that particles can interact in a way that is independent of space and time. In other words, particles can instantly interact with one another regardless of their proximity to one another. This idea is connected to the minimum dose idea in homeopathy. According to homeopathic doctors, a substance grows more potent the more diluted it is. The concept of non-locality can be used to explain this seeming contradiction. This idea holds that an original substance's energy is not constrained by its physical location. Instead, it is dispersed throughout the cosmos and has the ability to affect systems and particles that are related to it. Therefore, a homeopathic remedy's energy can still have a significant impact on the patient even if there is very little physical material remaining in it. The influence of observation. The act of seeing a particle might actually alter its behavior due to the observer effect, a phenomenon in quantum physics. This is thus because it takes energy to see a particle, and energy can change how a particle behaves. This idea is connected to the vital force idea from homeopathy. The natural ability of the body to cure itself, according to homeopaths, can be interfered with by both internal and external influences. The homeopath is essentially observing the patient and giving the energy required to encourage healing by giving a homeopathic medicine that resonates with the patient's energetic field. The holographic theory. It is possible that the cosmos is a hologram, or a three-dimensional projection of information that is recorded on a two-dimensional surface, according to the holographic principle, a concept in quantum physics. This idea is connected to the totality of symptoms concept in homeopathy. According to homeopaths, a patient's symptoms are a reflection of their total health rather than just a single physical condition. Along with their bodily problems, this also encompasses their mental and emotional well-being. When choosing a remedy in homeopathy, the full range of a patient's symptoms is considered. This means that in addition to the patient's physical symptoms, the homeopath also takes into account the patient's lifestyle, mental and emotional well-being, and other elements that could be affecting their overall health. This theory is supported by the holographic principle, which postulates that the cosmos is a hologram in which every component holds knowledge about the entire. To put it another way, each component of a patient's symptoms carries details about their overall health. Homeopathy is able to treat patients holistically, promoting overall health and healing by addressing all facets of the patient's symptoms. Conclusion: there are many similarities between the two that raise the possibility of a connection between homeopathy and quantum physics. Homeopathy and quantum physics are both founded on holistic ideas that consider how everything is connected to everything else. The ideas that homeopathy functions by changing the patient's energetic field and fostering balance and healing are all supported by the principles of resonance, non-locality, the observer effect, and the holographic principle. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. For more informative content, please like, share, and subscribe to Dr. Rohit Deshpande's YouTube channel.